W, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Your name is sit down. If your name is Cooper, stand up. Cooper, stand up. If your name is Cooper, sit down. If your name is Fong, stand up. If your name is Fong, sit down. If your name is Crest, stand up. If your name is Crest, sit down. If your name is Mona, stand up. If your name is Mona, sit. It's not just a letter, but it's also a word. Can we say I? I. I. Good. This means me. I, me. Me, me. I. You. So when we say I, we do not mean you. We mean me. So when we talk about ourselves, we use the word I, am, for. I am a girl. I am a boy. So we can use this to talk about ourselves. We also have the word my, I. My, I. When we use these words, they're all about ourselves. But today we're going to focus on boys, girls. Boy or a girl? A girl. So you could say I am a girl. Good. Mona, how do you spell your name? M-O-N-A. Good. So we're going to put Mona over here on the list of girls. So Mona, can you say I am a girl? And then when we ask questions back, we say how about? Good. So I would say I am a boy. So I'll put Teacher Jack. Beautiful. Turn. Are you a boy or a girl? Good. You said I am a boy. Really, really good. And you would say how about you? How about you? You. Good. I am also a boy. So we can put terms name on our boys list. Centre. Are you a boy or a girl? Your name is boy. Your name is Sen. Good. And centre. Are you a boy or a girl? Boy. You could say I am a boy. Remember to back. You can say how about you? I am also a boy.